Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Professor of Marketing, and today we are going to discuss the topic new product and its classification under the course of marketing management. So the new products are goods and services that differ significantly in their characteristics or intended uses from products previously produced by the firm. Moving ahead, the need of the new product. Consumer needs and wants is changed. We happy to wear or we happy to consume new things. So that's why there is need of a new product. Products reaches to the end of its product's life cycle. So there is an various stages of product life cycle, that is an introduction, growth, maturity and decline. Some of the products are reached to an decline stage, so that is the need of new product is arises. The demand of existing products gets saturated. So product is at maturity stage of its product life cycle also motivates the marketer to go for the new product. The environmental changes, there are lots of changes happening in the environment. According to that also the need of new products is arises. Like if temperature is increased, there is a requirement of the product, air conditioner, or some disease are coming in the market, and then there is the environmental changes that is the new product need has been arises. Competitors in an existing product line has been increased. If in that way also we need a new product, and the existing products is facing an problems, then also company has to think to launch a new products, or any marketer has to come up with the solution. So these are some of the reasons that the marketer demands the new products, and the existing companies has to fulfill these demands of the market. Moving ahead with the classification of new product, which is based on Booz Allen Hamilton framework. Booz Allen Hamilton in his framework has classified the new products into 6 categories. The first is technological breakthrough product, which is also called as an completely new to the world product, which is a new technology. These products are absolutely new to the world and will create their own market. Like the first time when 3D television came, then the first time Android phones came, then Apple has continuously launching their new innovative products. In future also some glass technology will come. So there are so many examples. The first time a completely breakthrough technology is product came, that products is comes under the category of new to the world product or technological breakthrough. Even we can say that driverless car is an highly new concepts to the market, and the work is going on, and that is also we can call the technological breakthrough products. Moving ahead with the next product, significant improvement. In an existing product there is an significant changes happens, so that products we can categorize under an significant improvement. These products are not born out of major invention, but carry significant improvements over their existing counterparts. They offer superior performance and hence replace existing product. You find an old Swift and new Swift Desire. You find how Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and we are using Windows 10 also. So that is a significantly improvement in each product. So we can categorize these products under significant improvement. Modified products. So in existing kind of product, some small modification is done. That products comes under the modified product. We can say that generally the modification in packaging, modifications in the revised size, so that comes under these modified products. Then you find this again with a more powerful engine. This Toyota has old Innova and this new Innova, that we can say that is somewhat modification has been done. Then the fourth is products new to the company. There are so many new company are coming with we can say copy paste product, like already these kinds of product has available in the market, but they had come up with some change in USPs. So we can say that all the products from an Patanjali, or they have the products from Ravi Shankarji, or even an this product that is Red Chip Shoes is not new to the market, or these FMCG products like an toothpaste or shampoos are not new to the market, but it's a new to the Patanjali, it's new to the Red Chip, which is a product from Vahid Circumstance, which having an Kanpur based company which manufactures the Gadi detergent, as well as these Red Chips. They had come up with these kinds of products. Then the fifth type is repositioning. Repositioning, these products are existing products but targeted to a new segments or new markets for the reason like increasing market share, fighting local brands, etc. And we have an example of Maggi, the old Maggi and new Maggi. There are certain issues happens in the Maggi, and then the Maggi has come up with repositioning strategies, which is oats noodles and completely safe Maggi. Even and Parachute has come up with the power of 5 with their new positioning strategy. Then the last one, that is that type of product, is cost reduction. These products are functionally similar to an existing product, but with an launched with an reduced price. The oil prices now in the world is drastically reducing, so there are so many, so that's a huge cost reductions happens. I remember in 2007 around, I had purchased one pen drive with a price of 2000 rupees. Now you find this 8 GB pen drive which is available with just price of 135 rupees. So the drastic cost reductions happens in such a kinds of products. So these kinds of products are categorized under the cost reductions. At the summary, we have discussed about new product, then the need of the new product, and there are 6 types of new products based on Booz Allen Hamilton classification. First one, technological breakthrough or completely new to the world. Second, significantly improved. Third one, modified. Fourth one, products new to the company. Fifth one, repositioning. And sixth one, cost reduction. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel SK Business to get all updated videos in marketing.